A lot of my clients are asking, Jaire, out of all the condos that you are offering, bakit sa Zadia ka bumili? For our new followers, Zadia kasi is one of the condominium projects dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna by Greenfield Development Corporation. And hindi lang kasi yung Greenfield condos yung ino-offer ko, no, or yung mga residential properties nila, but we are also partnered with other developers such as SMDC, Ayala, and Cathay Land. So going back to the question, bakit nga ba Zadia yung binili ko? So ito yung mga naging criteria ko and binis ko din sa priorities ko, no, at that moment. So minsan kasi when we are investing in a property, we also have to look for its totality. Kung ano nga ba yung pros niya, hindi lang basta siya kasi yung cheapest, hindi lang basta siya kasi may pinakamagandang location. Right now kasi, ito yung condo na nakikita ko na natitik